There's like Mitch's old truck. He had a brown one, Ford 100 twin I-beam, and he loved that truck.
What did it have in it?
I don't remember what he had in it.
Was that year
306
or 3?
Was it? I think he had like a V6 or something.
Really? Ford's had it.
Oh, that's an 8. Is this the Willys or which one's that? Oh, there you go, Studebaker champion. Yeah, how do you tell the differences? The Willys, the Ford Deluxe, Studebaker, they were all so similar.
Yeah.
And it's a good body style.
I like that.
Yeah.
Studebaker.
Very nice.
There it is.
What?
That's the shifter he's talking about.
Oh,
That's
okay.
a Hearst quarter stick.
Oh,
Those look good.
I know the name.
okay.
That's what I'm talking about.
Now, don't these? I thought okay, maybe the Fords, don't they have a running board on them?
Probably so.
Yeah, or side set.
Shaved it out.
Okay, so upholstery, I presume.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it does. He actually did a really good job stuffing this in here. He's got a blower with dual quad.
He drove clear down to Southern California to get this blower from this guy.
See up under there?
I
I mean, he did a good job of tucking all that engine in there.
Look at those cast iron head.
Oh,
It's like a
what's that?
cast iron header.
I don't know.
It's kind of.
I mean, it looks aluminum. I mean, that's pretty thick metal mounting up to the head.
So that's what they do with that Dale Bennett headers. They got like this huge, really thick plate on them so they won't warp. All that good stuff.
I like the hinges.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't know when did they, because they don't make these things anymore. But this was, I got this 30, 35 years ago. Yeah, exactly. It's been sitting in a box. Right. And I had the motor built.
Oh, Sanderson cast iron head.
Okay. The vintage air conditioning, that means windows, doesn't it?
Yeah, I took this into.
Yes, I don't see nothing else.
I don't see a compressor in there.
Power steering or nothing. It's not even.
It does have one? Way down there.
I wonder if it's got vintage air.
Well, it's probably tucked up under there somewhere.
Yeah, I don't know.
Could also be the lines are running back and vented this way. The coolant lines are running back to a evaporator, and then the cold air is blown this way.
Much money in this thing, don't be too hard.
Yo.